in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Grand Prairie, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cockrell Hill around 9:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Highland Park around 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. University Park around 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service informed